More lights. Yeah, it sounds awful. DPF sign, it's gone. Yeah, I just fixed one and another one broke.
In case you're wondering how I got to this point, well, this is how it all started. It's quite easy to find. This one, it's the exhaust pressure sensor. And the pressure sensor just arrived. This is the code, if you ever need. Let's unplug this. It's getting worse. Definitely here it's a short. Okay, so exhaust pressure sensor no more, but now it's the particle trap efficiency and some more. Let's see. So this is the plug for the pressure sensor, and it goes through here and finally through here. Let's see what's here. Many problems, and this wire is broken.
Aw, man!
Almost broken. This purple wire, it's exactly from the pressure sensor. Well, it's a good thing that I found these broken wires here. But the bad thing is that I've changed the exhaust pressure sensor without a reason. But anyway, I hope now everything will be just fine. I will inspect the rest of the wires. So it's a serious swing here. Okay, now let's see. So earlier I just repaired the wires to the exhaust pressure sensor.
And now it doesn't start. Great.
And also there I found some broken wires to the camshaft sensor. But the reason this engine doesn't start is because of this. These small rings, O-rings, are mounted on each injector. So if you wanna see how to change these injector rings, just click on this link and see the full video.
Finally.
Yeah, that happiness didn't last too much, because just 50 kilometers later, this happened. It seems this is an endless nightmare and is getting worse and worse. So I see it has a small oil pump. I think it's silicone. This is not good. There is no wonder this engine had a problem with the oil pressure. I think this is silicone. It seems this is not an easy job, removing the turbine, because now I need to remove the front right drive axle, and after that the catalytic converter, and in the end the turbine, the holy turbine. Oh. It's almost finished. I mean, it's completely finished. Look at this. Okay, now let's take this dead turbine and get it to a doctor. Sorry, that was my phone. And 2 hours later, my turbo was refurbished and received a new core inside. Now let's go back to the garage and mount it back. But first I will need to mount the intake manifold back because I removed it to clean it, and this is what I found inside. That's a lot of soot. So now guys, it will be much cheaper to remove your oil pan and check the pickup pipe to see if it's not clogged, and if it's clogged, clean it, and in this way you will avoid getting a dead turbine. And finally I just finished mounting the DPF. That's a serious job. It's not easy at all. And now last thing are the plugs, the electric plugs. I've just bought this to be 100% sure that I have oil pressure, that the oil pressure is good. And I've connected the pressure gauge. Let's see the pressure. Oh, I see the pressure is very good, I guess. Seems to be okay. And of course the oil pressure fall, and that's because here's the oil pressure sensor switch. Actually it's just a switch. And finally I've managed to bring this EOS back to life. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you.